Raw&Police. 안녕하세요. 로폴입니다. 2022년 5월 4일 미국 플로리다의 한 아파트 단지 주차장에서 10대 청소년들이 소란을 피우고 있다는 신고를 받게 됩니다. 현장에 도착한 경찰관은 한 손에는 금속 너클을 끼고 있는 한 소년을 만나게 되는데요.
What's up, man? What's up? What's up? What car you in?
I ain't in any of these
Let's
cars.
go. Then you got to get out. Let's go.
Nah, I don't gotta go nowhere.
You live here?
I don't got. Yeah, I live here. You don't got.
Okay, what's
what
your
you
address?
walking up on me like that for? What's up?
What's your address?
Take that vest off. Come on,
Take that vest off for me.
come on. Take that vest off. You know. Come on, take that shit off. Let's get it.
All right,
Let's
yeah,
get it,
yeah,
man.
yeah,
What's
yeah.
up? What's up?
Do me a favor,
Take that
man.
shit off. Take that shit off. Laugh like you're not a bitch.
Do me a favor.
Like
sit
you're
down.
not a bitch.
Button
Take
up
that
your
shit
fist.
off.
Sit down.
Come on, nah, take that shit off. Let's get
All
it.
right, where do you live?
Your partner here like he's gonna do something. You ain't gonna do shit.
Where do you live, man?
I live right here. There ain't nothing about
What's
it.
your address?
Do something about it.
Huh?
How about that? Take your shit off and do something about it. You like I won't.
Like you what? Like you want what?
I ain't gonna say nothing on that camera.
What
so
are you
I'm
gonna
saying
do?
take
What are
that
you gonna
off.
do? What are you
Take
gonna
it
do?
off. Let me see.
Okay,
Take
take
it off.
it out.
Let me see. Yeah.
Let me get your ID.
You ain't gonna get shit.
Okay.
Take it off and you'll see. Well, what you laughing for? I'm writing your shit.
Where's-
Take it off.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm a minor.
So why'd you get in my face? What, you gonna hit me?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
So why'd you get in my face then? I told you stop balling up your fist, right?
I did.
Okay, so why'd you get in my face? All right, stand up.
Not me too, sir.
What you doing there? Hey, back up. Hey, back up.
Back up. Back
What you doing there? Back up.
up.
Now. The you doing, bro?
Back up. It's no big deal. It's no big deal.
Roll up on your side. Stand up. What you doing, bro? Get back right now.
Back
Back up.
up.
Back up.
I got him.
Hey, back up. What's up, man?
It's no big deal.
What's wrong with y'all?
Nah, it's
Back
not.
up. Hey, back up. Back up now.
I got him.
Hell, where you going? Nah, bro.
It's all good. I ain't doing nothing. No, it's no big deal. It's no big deal. It's no big deal.
Sit down.
Joey! It's no big deal. It's no big deal. I ain't do nothing.
I'm not helping. Joey!
It ain't nothing.
You let the man go to jail! I didn't have time to work on him.
I didn't do nothing, bro.
You were about to hit me, dude.
I was not about to.
So why'd you ball your fist and get in my face?
Because, dude, you're running up on me, bro.
Yeah,
Like,
okay,
what?
okay.
Bitch.
What's going on with him? Step out, step out.
Hey, give me my keys, bro. I'm sorry. I was just hyped up, dude. I respect you.
410-4 right now. We just got a lot of subjects here. We got 110-15.
What's he going to do right now? Why's he going to jail?
If you get in my face, I'm
I'm
gonna
not in
take
your
you
face,
down
bro.
with
I'm
him.
sitting as close as he is, and you don't have a problem with him, huh?
It's 3 feet of
Are
space.
you a
Go
bitch,
stand
bro?
over there right now.
You's a bitch, bro. You bitch me, bro. You bitch me. No big deal, bro. It's no big deal. Trust me. It's no big deal, buddy.
Riley, that's the brother of this 1015. Just make sure he stays away.
I told you several chances. I said, hey, stop balling your fist. Chill out.
I apologize.
All right, I accept your apology,
Seriously.
but we didn't have to
No.
take it to this level, man.
I know. I'm sorry. I was just hyped up.
It's like 12, it's like 15 of you guys gonna let you
I'll
punch me in the
pull you guys
face.
in
What do you think I am?
15.
I'll punch you back. Well, you look like you were gonna hit me.
I know, and I apologize. Sorry,
All right, why'd you? What's all the balling up your fist?
Sorry, sir. I'm just hyped up. That's all. There's a situation going on, sir. Honestly, I apologize.
Yeah, but listen, man. Listen to me. Anytime you come across police, you ball up your fist and get in somebody's face. I'm not. You know. What do you think? I'm gonna punch you back. I'm gonna let you punch me in the face.
No, I know, sir. Trust
Okay,
me.
so-
If you would taste me, I'd understand.
Okay, listen. It's not personal, man. I'm doing my job. I appreciate you being sorry, but you know you screwed up. Okay.
Yeah, I apologize. I was acting big and tough. I f***ed up. I got thrown on the ground.
Okay.
It's in my wrist for that shit.
No problem. Stand by real quick. Do you have anything else in your pocket?
No,
Anywhere,
sir.
anybody? No.
You check me anyways. I'm
Okay.
sorry and I apologize.
You're good. Well, I respect you as a man for saying you're
That's
sorry,
what you
but
know, man to man. I'm sorry.
gotta do what we gotta do.
Absolutely.
Have a seat for me.
Right here?
No, over here.
Yeah, that's all right.
I'm right here. We'll call or do whatever needs to be done.
Okay.
I'm gonna explain to you right here what's going on. Okay?
Sorry about that.
No, you good, man. This is your house number or your cell phone?
That's something.
Okay. So, here's your stuff back. Like I explained to you, unfortunately right now is going to be arrested for what he just did. Alright, they're going to...
What's the charge? Out of curiosity.
I'm going to talk to the other officer exactly, find out what his exact charges are. But regardless, he's going to be taken down. Do you know the Juvenile Assessment Center is? On 45th Street, just past the hospital. Yeah, you know where the road tracks are? He's 35. That's where the Juvenile Assessment Center is, all right? What's going to happen is he's going to get taken down there. They're going to process him. And then...
Why juvenile?
How old is he?
20.
He's 20 years old? Someone over there said he was 16. If he's 20, then he's going down to county jail.
That's good.
All right? So, regardless, you can call down in a few hours. They'll figure out how you can get him home, all right?
Yeah.
So, all right?
It is what it is, right?
Are you good with keeping him calm? He's not
No,
gonna
I
be an
got
issue
him.
for you?
I got him. Can I say one thing to my son before he leaves so he doesn't freak out?
I'll let him know.
Just crack the window. I don't have
Well,
to see
I'll
him.
let the other officer know because our supervisor's going to want to talk to him. Then before they leave, I'll
They'll
let them
only
know.
take a second.
No, before they leave, I'll let them know you want to talk to them, all right? I just want to make sure you're good with the other son, okay?
Yeah.
Well, I'm sorry I had to turn out this way. It is what it is. If you were a police officer, you probably understand why I had to do what I had
I
to
was
do.
raised around police officers. And
So, sir, do you have your license with you?
yeah, I already gave him.
Oh, you got 14? Thank you. Alrighty. You want to talk to him real quick?
Yeah.
I'm going to end up taking him to the hospital and then he's going to take the ride, okay?
I'm not, you guys can go.
No, I'm not getting out. I just want. Can I stand up and at least say goodbye? Like,
No, you can't get out of the car, man. You got to stay there.
Are you arresting me?
Listen,
Yeah, you're arrested right now.
For what? Like, what did I do?
For assault on a law enforcement officer.
That's not assault. I never touched you.
Okay, well, you were about to. That's why it's
No,
assault.
I wasn't about to.
honey,
That's the
honey,
thing.
Okay, well, I'm not going to
it
argue with
can
you,
go-
man.
Listen, it can go to court and then they can throw it out. That's what it
Well,
takes. If that's
obviously,
what
this
they
guy
do.
kicked me in his rib.
No,
my
he's
ribs.
he's actually halfway.
No, I know he is decent. He was decent.
Dude, I gave you more than I gave you so much respect, and you know it, man. I gave you respect so
Not
much.
really. Like I had like 2 seconds. Obviously,
many-
you seen
When
I
you
was
get older,
upset.
honey,
How many?
Like,
Yeah, listen, man. How many times did I try to tell you, hey, relax, dude, stop balling up your fists?
Like maybe once. I'm sure it's on your body.
It's all on body cam. That's the great thing about having a body cam. It's all on body cam.
I know that's
He's
what I'm
alright,
saying.
so
I
he's
know
not-
it's
Listen,
okay.
it's okay, man. I'm not here to argue with you. I'm just here so you can talk to your dad real
I know
quick.
he's not one of those. I can tell with
Not
him.
once.
I know
Believe
he's
me, I've
not.
met many. No.
I so have I. I know he's not one of those. That's what I'm saying.
Do you even know what you were called for? Called for like disturbance or what? I know a decent amount about cops.
Something like that. One of your neighbors called.
Neighbor calls for a disturbance.
Yeah, something like that.
But why did y'all go after him? Of course he's gonna stand against cops.
That is enough.
What happened, man? Why the outburst tonight?
Well, I was just upset. Like, there's a lot
Okay.
going on.
Yeah.
Obviously, I wasn't going to touch him. You know, I had so much time to touch him. I would have if I wanted. You know,
Okay.
there's just I like I was just being stupid.
Well, what? We came here for a noise complaint, and then it went south really
Yeah,
quick.
we were all just around and like I don't know. I just got upset and then I
Been drinking and stuff, or
huh?
you been drinking a little bit?
No. I'm
Sure?
not- yeah, 100%.
All
You
right.
can test me whatever you want. I haven't had a single drink. I haven't had nothing.
Okay. All right. Very good. So a bunch of people were saying that, like you got in the officer's face and stuff, and told him to take
Well,
his
we
fist
were
off.
close. Yeah, like
이후에 이 소년은 미성년자가 아닌 성인인 것으로 밝혀졌고요. 재판이나 구속 여부는 추후에 알려진 바가 없지만 이러한 경범죄적 경찰 폭행행위나 지시 불이행 등으로 충분히 재판에 갈 수도 있었던 상황이라고 합니다. 이 영상을 본 미국 현지 댓글 중에 경찰이 2초 만에 20년치 육아를 모두 마쳤다라고 작성한 댓글이 기억에 남습니다. 구독과 좋아요는 영상 제작에 큰 힘이 됩니다. 앞으로 더 재밌는 영상으로 인사드리겠습니다. 로앤폴리스 로폴이었습니다.